If your skin is red, flaky, or breaking out more than usual after starting retinol, the problem usually isn't the ingredient. It's how it's being used. Almost every beginner makes at least one of these 7 mistakes without realizing it. Mistake number 5 is the one that quietly cancels out weeks of progress. Retinol is a form of vitamin A, but on its own it doesn't do much. Your skin has to convert it in 2 steps, first to retinaldehyde, then to retinoic acid, before it becomes active. Prescription tretinoin skips that conversion entirely because it's already retinoic acid. That's the real difference. Retinol is slower and gentler, tretinoin is faster and harsher, and they are not interchangeable. Once converted, retinoic acid speeds up cell turnover and increases collagen production. Over weeks to months, that shows up as smoother texture, fewer fine lines, clearer breakouts, and fading dark spots. It's one of the most well-studied ingredients in skincare. Almost every bad experience people report traces back to one of these 7 mistakes, not the ingredient itself. Buying a 1% retinol or going straight for a prescription product as your very first retinoid. Your skin has 0 built-up tolerance at that point, so irritation is almost guaranteed. Start between 0.01% and 0.3% and only move up once your skin has adjusted. Retinol works through consistency over time, not daily use from the start. Begin with 2 to 3 nights a week and increase frequency only once your skin stops reacting. More product does not mean faster results, it just means more irritation for no extra benefit. A pea-sized amount is enough to cover your entire face. Applying retinol directly onto bare skin makes irritation worse. Try the sandwich method. Moisturizer, then retinol, then moisturizer again, to buffer the effect without canceling out the benefits. This is the mistake that makes most people quit too early. Purging is temporary. Extra breakouts in your usual problem areas, caused by faster cell turnover, and it settles within a few weeks. A bad reaction looks different. Burning, redness, or a rash outside your normal breakout pattern. Purging means keep going. A bad reaction means slow down or stop. You'll often hear that retinol makes your skin sun-sensitive. That's an oversimplification. The real reason sunscreen matters: retinoic acid breaks down in sunlight, which is why it's applied at night. And while your skin is adjusting, it's temporarily more vulnerable to damage. Skip sunscreen, and you're undoing the exact results you're trying to build. Using retinol on the same night as strong exfoliating acids or benzoyl peroxide stacks irritation, and benzoyl peroxide can actually deactivate retinol on contact. Keep them on separate nights. And if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, skip retinoids altogether and talk to a doctor first. This is one area with no beginner workaround. If irritation doesn't settle after a few weeks, or you're seeing burning or a rash instead of purging, stop and check in with a dermatologist. Used correctly, retinol is one of the most well-studied, well-proven ingredients in skincare. Used incorrectly, it's the reason most people give up before it ever starts working. Subscribe to Being Chemist for the actual science behind your skincare, not the myths.